अरे गले मिल यार। और तुम एसडी से बीकॉम है? चलो कोई ना, आ जाओ, लेकिन वो कोने में बैठना। आई एम लिटरली नॉन प्लस एज टू हु विल कम नेक्स्ट। अगर कोई नॉन इंजीनियरिंग बैकग्राउंड का निकला तो आई विल बी रियली अनअबेस्ड।
Okay, guys. Yes, everyone has already guessed it. Yes, it is Sachin sir.
भाई तेरा छोटा भाई है।
छोटा भाई।
फिक्र करके आसमां को छूना, पर बेफिक्र होकर दिलों को जीतना, कुछ ऐसा ही मिजाज है हमारे रोटरैक्टर सचिन माटा का. Our brand promotion officer, who has been devoting his skills and positivity for the development of the club. He is loved by everyone in this family as his charming personality of being a typically Indian style groomed boy. He is working relentlessly for the club, and his committing nature has always resulted in grand achievements by Rotaract Club Chandigarh Himalayan.
Thank you so much for that lovely introduction. Kafi nostalgia. So yesterday I was contacted by the new board कि sir आपके पास 4 मिनट है, exactly 4 minutes, और आप एक speech दे सकते हो. And I thought this is the last time I will be addressing the Rotaract Club Chandigarh Himalayan. I have to say something. लेकिन दो दिक्कतें थी. एक, I get nervous in front of so many talented people. The second problem was I don't know what to say. So I tried recalling what the past board had said during their felicitation, what the past president had said when I was sitting there, and I could not remember anything. So that gave me a lot of confidence कि मैं कोई भी गलतियां करूं, कुछ भी बोलूं, आपको एक साल बाद याद रहना नहीं है. So okay, so today I was wondering what are the odds that we all will be sitting at our homes transmitting information through the internet for the RCCH felicitation amidst a global pandemic. What I admire most about Rotaract is how the idea of Rotaract is different for everyone, and how the way each of us experiences this club, each of us perceives this club is completely unique. Someone somewhere would have thought of teaching children and planted the seed of that idea. 3 years later, we have 3 teaching centers. Someone somewhere thought that we should have a social media account, and now we have a full-fledged branding team. So we, at any point of time, we are standing on the hard work of many people we may never even know about, because of whom the club is today. And we work hard, we volunteer an event to contribute to something to make the club better for the upcoming members. And I absolutely adore this decentralized nature of the club. The club is not perfect. Anyone who says the club is perfect is lying. We may complain of how things are in the club, but someone has worked far harder than we have for making this work this way. Each year, I decided to quit by being all grateful. But each year I was stopped by an unexpected promotion. For those of you who don't know, I'm an outsider in the board. I had never superheaded an event, and the only event head I did was an intra-club event. I was made the event head 7 days before the event. But good things comes to those who wait. And this year I found in Rotaract what I did not before. I found friends. I found them in the current board, and I found them in the people I worked with. For 1.5 years, I knew absolutely no one in Rotaract, but still I came alone. And I honestly never cared for any promotion. And as these years pass, we all are eventually going to forget this felicitation. We will forget this screen and my words, but you will remember the feeling you have right now. You will forget the Rajma Chawal, but you will remember how we did not have enough plates, so we had to share them. You will forget the taste of Rajma Chawal, but you will remember the feeling. And that is how we humans are. We forget everything, but we never forget the feelings. I love the quote of Steve Jobs that we can only join the dots looking backward, we cannot join them looking forward. And what are the odds that I was shy enough to not buy the pass of some other Rotaract club that paged in my class? What are the odds that I bought the pass of this club, not knowing that there are more than one Rotaract clubs? What are the odds that I got selected? What are the odds that I stayed for the entire 3 years and met all of you? What are the odds that I became a story creator and today I'm leaving as a storyteller? What are the odds that an organization like this chose a guy like me? That's all I want to say. Thank you.